Start mixing, bro.
Sorry.
Stop talking, just start doing.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Alright guys, what's up? New video, cooking video alert.
We're back.
We're back.
So I promised y'all last year I'd teach this white boy how to make dumplings. We finally here. Last year we did Easter for you because you know you're.
You know, he had to respect it.
Yeah. So now we're doing my thing, which is dumplings for real. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs, gonna go make our dumpling filling, and we'll be right back. Let's go. Woo!
Alright, so now we will incorporate our shrimp
About half a pound of shrimp.
and our 2 pounds of chicken. Ground chicken. And this is gonna be our filling for the dumplings. Cornstarch to combine. Listen to her. That's what good meat and shrimp sounds like.
Oh, brother.
Incorporate it like this. You know how we do, baby. Out here in Peter's kitchen.
All right, now you need about a tablespoon of soy sauce.
Just like that. Just like that.
Fresh made dumplings right here. So right now it's the shrimp, the meat, the soy sauce, and the
Cornstarch. Yep.
So this is a whole bunch of minced garlic, and cut up chives. Oh,
Straight
chives.
from the farm that he has.
Straight from my backyard.
Yes.
And then this is about like a quarter pound of shiitake mushrooms, diced.
Now we gotta mix this all together, obviously. Like this.
Start mixing, bro.
Sorry.
Stop talking. Just start doing.
Alright.
Can't rely on anybody these days.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
This is shredded Napa cabbage.
Right over here. Give her a good little mix. Wow, look at all the colors.
Fire, bro. That smells so good.
Oh man, I can't wait to eat this raw.
Alright, what are we missing?
What are we missing?
Salt and pepper.
I guess not. So he's grinding the pepper up.
And just a little bit of salt because we already have soy sauce in and you don't want it to be too salty.
Alright guys, we're gonna go back downstairs with our nicely incorporated ingredients and we'll start stuffing.
Let's go.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Gotta make it aesthetically pleasing. Talk to me. What do we got here?
Okay, so we have we have... Okay, so we have ground chicken, ground shrimp, shiitake mushrooms, Napa cabbage, chives, and minced garlic and soy sauce and cornstarch. We both have our little bowls of water because you're gonna need to dip your fingers in to get the dumpling skins wet. Are you ready to make your first dumpling?
Yes, I am.
Get your little scoop. Like, you don't want too much or else it'll overflow. Now you take your water and dip your finger in it.
This water right here.
And then just do half a circle or a full circle, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Okay. So now literally just pinch your dumpling right in the middle. And then you wanna fold it, make a little like angle and fold it like that. And then you do that twice on both sides and it'll look like a dumpling kind of.
Alright, this is my first dumpling right here.
That's pretty good. Now
It is
just put it in your palm of your hand and make it flat.
Make it flat like this.
Yes,
Wow,
that's
guys. How do you rate my first dumpling right
First
here?
dumpling right there.
Here we go. Put this right
Alright,
in our plate.
we're gonna make dumplings now. Let's go.
Time lapse, go.
Alright, so in Mandarin, dumpling is 饺子.
饺子.
That's pretty good. 饺子, yeah.
Bro, they mistake. Bro, sometimes, you know, people would say, are you actually Mandarin? I'm really different.
He's really like multilingual. Alright. Wonton is 云吞.
Wington.
That's not bad. Oh, a lot of you might not know this, but ANRI went to school, like elementary school with like,
Oh, yeah.
with like
I forgot.
80% Chinese people.
Bro, I think it was more than that, bro.
Yeah. And you learned like some Chinese songs, right?
Yeah, I performed Chinese songs and like every year we did like a school play. And one year we did it Chinese themed, and we had Even our costumes that we wore, we had like I don't know what it was called.
All those hats?
The hats.
Oh, I know what you mean. Okay.
And we all like sung Chinese.
Alright, it's been 5 minutes. How many dumplings do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, 8.
Yo, this guy's beating me. Nah, that's unfair, bro. Wait.
You are?
Yeah. But in my heart, I'm Asian.
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna get violated for like my dumpling making like
By your family?
no like I'm gonna put it online and like it's like some Asian grandma's gonna comment like why'd you fold dumplings like that? You folded them wrong.
Man, they're gonna taste just as good.
Exactly.
Relax, grandma. Bruh. Alright, following word from our sponsors.
Let's play Raid Shadow Legends.
How much do you have? Yeah, it looks like you have like 2 or 1 extra.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13.
I got 12.
Wontons. Let's go.
Alright, this is gonna be a little more difficult.
Okay. How would you rate your first making dumpling experience?
Honestly, dude, I would expect it to be just a tad bit more difficult.
Mm-hmm.
So honestly, I give this like a 10 out of 10.
Guys, let's go. So we have our pan-fried ones, dumplings, and our chili oil wontons. They smell really good.
I think they'd be crazy hot. My honest review, these by themselves, I'm like a sauce guy. These by themselves, I'll give them like an 8.
They smell good, but I know they're gonna be spicy.
Yeah, I might kill myself.
Ready? Go. Oh wow.
But I was expecting way spicier. Dude's gonna. Alright.
Dude, you want to hear this.
I like more of the crisp.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give them like a 6.
Alright, well, I'm like sweating. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Woo. ANRI, anything to say?
Okay.
Alright, check them out, Shiba Boys.
Yeah, I mean, we upload here and there on that channel. We do a lot of stupid stuff. But yeah, you can check that out, Shiba Boys.
I'll leave a link.
You leave it in the description.
These are gas,
I
right?
hope. They're fire.